If you are tired of feeling helpless every time that warning light comes on, stick with me. I'm going to walk you through every step of the process from locating the sensor to resetting it like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll not only have the skills to fix this issue, you'll have the confidence to tackle even more car repairs on your own. Friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car maintenance simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we are diving into a topic that's been requested a lot lately: how to reset the oil pressure sensor. Alright, let's talk about why you might need to reset your oil pressure sensor. Maybe your dashboard is lighting up like a Christmas tree with that pesky oil pressure warning. Or maybe you have just replaced the sensor, and now you need to reset it to make sure everything's running smoothly. Whatever the reason, I have got your back. But before we jump into the steps, let's take a quick moment to understand what the oil pressure sensor actually does. The oil pressure sensor is like the guardian angel of your engine. It monitors the oil pressure and sends that information to your car's computer. If the pressure is too low or too high, it triggers that warning light on your dashboard. And let's be real, no one likes seeing that light. It's like your car's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Now, if you've already replaced the sensor or fixed the issue causing the warning light, you might still need to reset it. Think of it like rebooting your phone after an update. It just helps everything sync up properly. So let's get into the steps. Step 1. Locate the oil pressure sensor. First things first, we need to find the oil pressure sensor. Now, this can vary depending on your car's make and model, but it's usually located near the oil filter or on the engine block. If you're not sure where it is, grab your owner's manual or do a quick search online for your specific car. Trust me, it's worth the extra minute to double check. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Okay, safety first, friends. Before we do anything, we need to disconnect the battery. This ensures there's no power running through the system while we're working. Grab your wrench, loosen the negative terminal, and carefully remove the cable. Set it aside where it won't accidentally touch the battery. Easy peasy. Step 3. Remove the old sensor. If you're replacing the sensor, now's the time to remove the old one. Use a wrench or socket to carefully unscrew it. Be ready for a little oil to drip out, so keep a rag handy. Once it's out, take a moment to clean the area around the sensor port. A clean workspace is a happy workspace. Step 4. Install the new sensor. Now take your new sensor and screw it into place. Don't over-tighten it, just snug enough to seal properly. Over-tightening can damage the sensor or the threads, and nobody wants that. Once it's in, reconnect the electrical connector. Step 5. Reconnect the battery. Alright, it's time to bring the power back. Reconnect the negative terminal to the battery and tighten it up. This is like giving your car a little wake-up call. It's almost showtime. Step 6. Reset the oil pressure sensor. Now, here's the moment we've all been waiting for: resetting the sensor. For most cars, this is as simple as turning the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Wait for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. This helps the car's computer recalibrate and recognize the new sensor. If your car has a specific reset procedure, check the manual or look it up online. Every car is a little different, but this method works for most. Finally, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Keep an eye on that dashboard. If the oil pressure warning light stays off, congratulations, you did it. Give yourself a pat on the back. If the light's still on, don't panic. Double-check your connections and make sure everything's installed correctly. Sometimes it takes a little troubleshooting, but you have got this. And there you have it, my friends. A step-by-step guide to resetting your oil pressure sensor. I hope this video took the mystery out of the process and gave you the confidence to tackle it yourself. Remember, cars are like puzzles and every problem has a solution, so don't let that warning light stress you out. You've got the skills to handle it. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.